Right now, Bitcoin is breaking down, but while this is happening, Bitcoin is also still creating a 4-hour symmetrical triangle, and we are creating the head and shoulders pattern. So in this exact video, I will talk about the most important charts and patterns on Bitcoin, and I will give a brief update on what currently is playing out on the Ethereum price chart. So make sure to watch this video till the end. It's going to be a short but very important one. And can we once again slap up the likes back above 500? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And on the imminent short term, we can clearly yet again see that this level on the top side, where I've been talking about for quite a while right now, has yet again, once again, provided resistance exactly like I have been predicting. And currently, the lower side is providing some support for Bitcoin. So we're once again, and for me to call the imminent short term, we can look at the 1 hour time frame, where we can actually see that the rising wedge has been seeing a breakdown, like we also have been expecting, because the rising wedge is a typical bearish bias pattern. The price target so far has not been met, because the price target of the rising wedge is all the way down to 28.2k, while we only went down to 28.3k. So there could be some potential more lower side incoming. And currently, if you're looking at horizontals, and we can actually see that previously around Bitcoin found support on this level, support right here, resistance, support, and right now we broke below it, and we are actually going to retest this level again as resistance. So make sure to be on the lookout for this exact level right here. I will keep my eyes wide open for a potential movement further on towards the downside, because yes, if I'm still looking at the 12-hour time frame, we are still creating that head and shoulders pattern, that typical bearish bias reversal pattern. And of course, this pattern will only play out if Bitcoin breaks below the upward sloping support line. But for me already, once looking at this pattern and structure on Bitcoin, it just does seems to be looking a little bit more weak. So I'm going to keep this scenario also wide open, and I actually still think it could be happening for Bitcoin. If I look at the price target for a potential head and shoulders pattern, we can see that the price target of a breakdown of this pattern is all the way down to $24,000, what is actually quite significant. So if we do break it, you will be the first one to know here on the channel, but this is definitely a very important one to keep your eyes wide open on. And of course, at the same time, we can yesterday see that we saw a small little fake out here on the bigger picture on the daily time frame. Yesterday on the video, I already said the daily time frame does not look to be breaking out here, and the 4-hourly time frame as well right now here. 4-hourly time frame just saw another rejection, and basically we're still trading in a downtrend here, while we're also creating higher lows. So we're just still waiting for the big movement to be happening, and we're expecting to see this move happening within 4 days ahead of ourselves. So make sure to get ready for this move right now here, because probably next week is going to be extremely volatile for Bitcoin. I'm looking out for it, and just 4 days left before we're going to see the significant movement happening for Bitcoin, and I'm expecting a big one. So make sure to get ready for that one as well. I will keep you guys posted on this one. And if you're actually interested in trading, don't forget to check out Bybit, because Bybit allows you to trade Bitcoin, altcoins, and all kinds of different cryptocurrencies. And if you're using the link in the description, you can actually claim a deposit bonus up to $30,000. So make sure to check it out if you are interested in trading. But still, the daily time frame looks to be consolidating in this consolidation range, and we're expecting to see a breakout happening anytime soon. And basically what you can see from the bigger perspective is that we're right now preparing for a major move. And once we do break out, I'm also expecting we're going to see a major move happening. So make sure to get ready for that right now here. Bitcoin is consolidating on the verge of the next move here, and it will be happening anytime soon. I've also been saying this for quite a while right now here. Bitcoin is currently in this very important volume range. We're running into some volume resistance, but if we're really looking where the big support is trading below us, it's somewhere around $24,000 to $18,000 for Bitcoin. Of course, you can see $24,000 is going to be a big level of support. First of all, it's a big level of previous resistance, and of course, that is where the volume really comes in. And between that level, there's almost no volume. So if Bitcoin does decide to be losing or breaking down of the head and shoulders pattern, I think $24,000 is a very easy target to be reaching for Bitcoin. So I will be on the lookout for that target if we do have that bearish breakdown. Then also looking at the Bitcoin dominance, it is officially breaking bullish, and right now it will be likely to expect a further continuation to happen for the Bitcoin dominance. So make sure to get ready for that one as well here. And looking at Bitcoin, I've been saying this almost every single video here, the resistance to break is clearly $32,000. That's the weekly resistance. If we do break above it, then the bull market would really get initiated. Looking as well at Ethereum, we can currently see that the gas fees has been extremely high for Ethereum the recent days here. Of course, that's due to the fact that meme coins are absolutely exploding. So if Ethereum will have this burn rate from the past 7 days here, Ethereum will be deflationary by 2.3% a year, what is absolutely crazy. And in the last 7 days, we saw the supply of Ethereum shrink by more than 50,000 Ethereum. So I still think Ethereum is a very good long-term investment, and we can right now also already see and forecast that currently with the pace that we're having right now here, we're expecting to see that there's only 90 million Ethereum left here by 2050. What's the significant 20 to 30% supply shrink within 30 years. So make sure to get ready for it. Make sure to have that long-term vision right now. The supply has peaked around 120 million Ethereum, and right now it's already significantly down. And with this pace, we can see an even more significant deflationary Ethereum. And looking at the price chart of Ethereum, you can clearly see on the 12-hour time frame that we're creating a beautiful consolidation range, and we're expecting to see a breakout for Ethereum also happening anytime soon. So make sure to get ready for it. I will keep my eyes wide open on Ethereum because I love this asset. I love to trade it. And once we do break the downtrend, and that will be the point where I would really expect right here, there's going to be a lot of volatility about to hit the market. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date here. But that was it for me on today's update video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.